Welcome to this video on English idiomatic expressions. Language goes beyond mere words and grammar. It's a treasure trove of vibrant and distinctive phrases that infuse our conversations with richness and depth. In today's journey, we'll explore some of the most intriguing and frequently employed idiomatic expressions in the English language. These expressions transcend language. They offer us glimpses into the culture and inventive spirit of English speakers. So, let's embark on this exploration of the linguistic gems that make English a truly captivating language. Okay, let's begin. English idiomatic expressions. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Don't make plans based on something that may not happen. This idiom advises against making plans or celebrating success prematurely. It's a cautionary reminder not to assume that a favorable outcome is certain before it actually occurs. In a literal sense, counting chickens before they hatch would mean predicting the number of chicks before the eggs have hatched. Applied figuratively, the phrase encourages prudence and patience, urging individuals to wait until a situation unfolds or is confirmed before expressing confidence or celebration. Here are the usages of the idiom, "Don't count your chickens before they hatch," in various contexts. Business investment. In the world of business, when investors witness positive trends and early success, there's a temptation to prematurely celebrate anticipated profits. The proverb advises against this, emphasizing the need to remain cautious and realistic. It urges investors not to count their profits before they materialize, encouraging a prudent and patient approach to business investments. Exam confidence. Students preparing for exams may experience confidence after successful practice tests. However, the cautionary advice, "Don't count your chickens before they hatch," reminds them not to assume success prematurely. It encourages students to stay focused on continuous preparation, avoid overconfidence, and maintain a diligent approach until the exam results are revealed. Project completion. In the context of project management, as a team approaches completion and experiences smooth progress, there may be a tendency to anticipate success prematurely. The proverb advises against this, emphasizing the importance of remaining vigilant, addressing potential challenges, and ensuring the project's successful conclusion before celebrating achievements. It promotes a disciplined and thorough approach to project completion. Now, let's examine some examples of the idiom, "Don't count your chickens before they hatch." Despite the positive feedback from his supervisor, Tom chose not to celebrate the promotion prematurely, wisely remembering the lesson not to count his chickens before they hatch. Excited about the upcoming results, Mike started planning a celebration, but his friends wisely cautioned him not to count his chickens before they hatched. Eager for quick profits, Mark invested in a startup but soon realized the importance of patience and not counting his chickens before they hatched. Confident in the chess tournament, Chris faced a formidable opponent and learned the lesson not to count his chickens before they hatched. Emma, despite the promising start of her startup, wisely refrained from making major financial commitments, adhering to the principle of not counting her chickens before they hatch. For a better understanding and immersion, listen to the story to see how the idiom, "Don't count your chickens before they hatch," is used in it. The Hatchling's Lesson, a Tale of Patience. In the small village of Meadowbrook, young Timmy eagerly awaited the results of the annual egg fair. He had been diligently caring for his hen, Daisy, anticipating the moment when her eggs would hatch into adorable chicks. The excitement bubbled within him, but his wise grandmother reminded him, "Don't count your chickens before they hatch." Timmy's impatience got the better of him, and he started envisioning the vibrant colors of the chicks and their playful antics. However, when the day of the egg fair arrived, not all the eggs hatched as expected. Disappointment washed over Timmy as he realized the truth behind his grandmother's words. As the village gathered to celebrate the egg fair, Timmy learned a valuable lesson about the unpredictability of life. His grandmother comforted him, "Patience is a virtue, my dear. Don't count your chickens before they hatch, and you'll appreciate the true joy when they do." Timmy, though initially crestfallen, began to understand the wisdom in her words. In the following weeks, the remaining eggs hatched, revealing a mix of charming chicks. Timmy, now wiser and more patient, embraced the diverse brood with joy. The village celebrated not only the new hatchlings but also the lesson learned by young Timmy, a tale of patience and the understanding that sometimes the best things come to those who wait. In the questions section, you should think about what we've learned and recall the knowledge so that you can answer the questions easily. So, read the questions and find the correct answer below. 1. What does the idiom, "Don't count your chickens before they hatch," mean? A. Wait until the chickens hatch to count them. B. Don't be overly optimistic about future outcomes. C. Count your chickens carefully. D. Always count your chickens. 2. In what type of situation would someone likely use this idiom, "Don't count your chickens before they hatch"? A. When expecting a positive outcome. B. When facing challenges or adversity. C. Before planning an event. D. In any everyday situation. 3. How might someone express the idea behind this idiom, "Don't count your chickens before they hatch," in a sentence? A. Counting chickens is a fun activity. B. Celebrate every success, big or small. C. Always count your eggs before they hatch. D. Don't make plans based on uncertain outcomes. 4. What is the symbolic meaning of "counting your chickens before they hatch" in the idiom? A. Hatching eggs. B. Literal counting of chickens. C. Celebrating too early or assuming success before it happens. D. Keeping track of farm animals. As we conclude our exploration of English idiomatic expressions, I hope you've enjoyed this linguistic adventure. Idioms are the hidden treasures of any language, revealing the culture, history, and humor of its speakers. By understanding and using idioms, you not only become a more fluent communicator, but also gain insights into the soul of the English language. So, go ahead, break a leg, and start using these phrases to add richness and depth to your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms can be a piece of cake if you bite the bullet and practice regularly. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and until next time, happy idiom hunting.